Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be doing a house tour or probably a world tour. So I haven't got the new Minecraft update yet, so this is kind of my speedrun world. Haven't finished this, but I have this portal. So yeah, that's really all of these. So I'm going to my other world, which is I hope you really like, because I really work hard for it. Even though it's not survival, I still work hard for it, okay? So I hope you can give a like on this video, stuff like that. I know it's noisy here. My brother's watching Preston, Brianna, I don't know exactly. But yeah. And my dad, he's just outside, cleaning. So, just don't deal with that one. Okay, so this is my house. Yep. I think the road's pretty laggy. Okay, so this is the flowers, yeah. This is my beaks. And this is my train of the fruit. So, yeah. This is the train of the fruit. Okay, wait, let's get a card. Let's see the fruit about you. But this is just a joke train, okay? This doesn't really know you. So yeah, it's small ride. It's just a small ride. I hope you can hear me. It's noisy. So let's see. You're gay. Oh, okay. Boys, just don't read this. Okay. You would not like to read this. It's just a joke train. It's not really the truth about you. You're perfect. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put my train here. So this is my portal exactly. Yep. And this is my panda's cage. Yes. Oh yeah. My little fishies. So I don't know why I built this. I don't know what it's really called. And this one, I don't know what I did on this one. I was trying to make an elevator here, but I don't know how to make one. So instead I just use water. Don't judge me. I don't know how to make one. So I guess we're just gonna yeah, there's nothing here. It's just a lake and some chest. Just for my storage. So seriously. I mean I like snow, but seriously. Okay, so a baby llama? Wait, what? That's not supposed to be there. So this is my farm. Did you just destroy my farm, you llama? Nobody destroyed my farm. Like, not even a single one. Jaden, I'm recording right now, okay. So this is Daddy Pig. And this is Mommy Pig. And this is George. Sorry about my brother earlier. He just wanted to join. But this is Peppa Pig. Yeah. It's the pig family. Exactly. So this is my house. My second house. Which is I don't know what to do with it. So it's just basic. Yeah. So there's like nothing here. So yeah. My doggy there. So this is the lava fall. This is my little mini farm. Yeah, there's a lot of pigs here. This is King George. I don't know how I built this, but yeah, I built it. So these are my sheep. Wait, what is it? Why is one of my sheep missing? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is I just kind of build a playing thing for kids, you know, a playroom for kids. While moms and dads, I guess, chill in the hot spot. So this is, press this to make the water hot. Yeah, you're not gonna press it. You don't want to press it. So this is RIP for my gray sheep. His name is Gray. So yeah, I don't really care about that. So this one is the villager trading place. I'll fix that later. And this is the Ender portal. You know what it's like. You know what it's like, Minecraft. So this is my lava fountain or fall. So yeah. So right here I have some lily pads, and I'm not gonna show you my secret base, cause literally when someone literally join in this world, they will know my secret base. They will steal my stuff. Okay, but I'll show you one of them. So one of my secret bases right here. You're like probably, oh, there's nothing here. There's just rock. Magic! So this is my room. My library's down here. You know, you gotta get knowledge. You know that, bro? Yeah, I'm rich with diamond here. Enchanted armor, let's go. So yeah. So that's pretty much a tour. So I hope you like this. And if you do, you can maybe leave a like.